when we need to take antibiotic, we need to also think about how do we boost our spring qi, meaning that you need to eat nourish food, you need to supplement yourself with probiotic, you need to make sure that you're warming up, maybe eat some spice with food. Rule number one in taking antibiotic, you only need to take it when you need it. There was a trend of overprescribing antibiotic, but I think doctors nowadays are more careful about it. So if we don't need it, we don't prescribe it. As far as overprescribing antibiotic, I would not worry about it as long as it's from your doctor. And then the doctor confirmed that there is a bacterial infection. There are times that when we need multiple rounds of antibiotic, that's usually an issue with the immune system, not the antibiotic, because your body is not able to fight back or repair what's going on, or the inflammation or the tissue, so that the bacteria is not leaving. So even though with a strong antibiotic. So the problem is body's function, especially immune system, in repairing, in defending, and detecting. So how do we do that? The idea of infection in Chinese medicine is actually the pathogen invading our body. Just like the immune system, if you have a weaker immune system and happen to be surrounded by like a lot of people with flu virus, COVID, or RSV, things like that. So when your immune system is strong enough, actually virus doesn't matter. But when your immune system is overpowering by the number of virus, then you get in trouble, you get sick, right? So in Chinese medicine, it's never about what kind of virus. It's about how strong we can get our qi or defensive qi up there so that you can defend off the virus or bacteria that's surrounding you. It's kind of like when the doors and windows are not shut tight, you start to have issues. So by then, if the infection gets severe enough, then that will be the time that we use antibiotic. Of course, before that, you might be thinking about maybe there are some natural antibiotic out there that we can use. Yes, there is, because the infection most of the time, despite the deficiency or imbalance that is pre-existing, a lot of times it shows as He. It could be excessive He or deficient He, but it still shows as a He syndrome, and with the underlying or pre-existing deficiency or a stagnation. Herbs like Chinese skullcap will be a good alternative to natural antibiotic, but that will be a question that you can discuss with your practitioner. So there are some alternative to the antibiotic, but what if it doesn't work and then you still need antibiotic? Then when you're prescribed antibiotic, you need to prepare yourself. First of all, remember that antibiotic is actually a cold, like a medication that with a cold nature. So it kills the bacteria, it suppresses the gut function. So a lot of time that when we need to take antibiotic, we need to also think about how do we boost our spring qi, meaning that you need to eat nourish food, you need to supplement yourself with probiotic, you need to make sure that you're warming up, maybe eat some spice with food, like cinnamon, ginger. Those things can also help to warm up the spleen and also get rid of the inflammation in the gut as well. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.